People all over the planet use texting. Why do you have one thing in common that sucks? Why are you so inconvenient on my part? What'd I do to you? I like having a decent conversation. If we're gonna have a convo and you're gonna be lame, stop it. When I send a life story to someone and all I get back is K, what do I say to that?
So yeah, I don't think my grandpa's gonna make it out of the hospital. He's not doing too well. And I'm kind of scared about it.
Soon. K? Really? Oh, they said K. What does it mean? Shark has a letter, can it? Are you talking about sharks? Is someone get killed by a shark? Or about KFC? That has can it? Saying one chicken? I don't know. What are you telling me? What do you want? All I want is to have a decent conversation. Can you imagine if that's how an actual in-person conversation went?
Hey dude, I just broke up with my girlfriend and my dog died today, dude, and a bunch of other stuff happened, and I found out I was actually adopted by a kid, man. It's crazy.
Okay. What? Oh, wait a minute. People already do that. Those are the real monsters of this world.
Phones should get rid of the letter K for a year and see what people do.
They'd actually have to write out an entire word. I'm like, all right, gotcha. Sounds good. Awesome. Fabulous. Blah, 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 blah. A bunch of other words. I have unlimited texting and I text about 2 people a day. What is that? When someone takes forever to respond and is giving me a boring conversation, I'm just over here like, hey, what do you think you're doing? Wasting my unlimited texting stuff. I always thought K meant potassium because K is in potassium. It's silent. So maybe they're talking about bananas or something, or a code or a riddle. I'm not good with those. They're like rocket science for toddlers. Just stop sending me K when we text. At least go the extra mile and put the O if you're gonna put K. Okay? I feel a little bit better now. All right, see you guys later. Oh my God.